Hey yo, what's going on you guys? It's Funty Aviation here, back at it again with another unboxing video. Welcome to Thursday Triple. And in today's Thursday Triple, we're going to be unboxing the Air France 777-300 ER. So without further ado, let's dive right on into it. I really like this model. The box looks really nice. This is a great looking box. It adds something, it makes the boxes really good looking. But the box is really good looking. I really like it, and yeah. So here are the sides. Yeah, so they're all the same side, but there are your sides. There's the back of the box. I picked this model up for $55.95 at the airplane shop in Miami. It was full price at the time, and I think you can get it for just a little less now. But there's the inside, there's a flap. The Air France Gemini Jets boxes look really good. I really like them. Yeah, but there's the inside. There's the model right there. Oh, that's really hot. There's the model looking really good. So let's go ahead and crack this baby open. So there is the model. Looks absolutely fantastic. Really like the look of it. Air France's livery is pretty good. I love it. And this model is going to look great on the airport. It's another SkyTeam airplane adding to the collection and making the SkyTeam fleet bigger. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, it would help out by subscribing. And I guess I will see you in the next one. Peace out.
Audio